statement, my lord.
Yeah, just for my knowledge. When this matter started,
Yes, my lord.
it was at Boksberg, you say.
That is correct, my lord.
Any of the accused, did they bring an application to quash the charges because these charges don't contain any due process regarding whether they have in fact contravened the law?
I'm not aware, my lord. of
No application for quashing?
No, it was no. Then that I'm not aware of such, my lord.
Okay, fine. Yes, Mr. Minister.
Thank you, Brigadier Gilinda. You would recall, I'm sorry. The interpreter needs to interpret that to the accused.
With all that we go through, I think maybe it's because I'm spoiled and I get to tour and go to Judge Ndim's courtroom, which has come to an end. Unless they will stream what happens to Laurentia, but I digress. Anyway, Judge Rata is asking if the 5 accused, when they appeared at the Boksberg Magistrate Court, if they told and if they made an application for the charges to be dropped. But this is the same judge who said he read the entire record of the case. Did he not read that they refused to get into the dock? Did he not see the videos where Ubongani Ntanzi raised his hand so many times trying to talk, and the magistrate said, you have legal representation, and by that legal representation, ladies and gentlemen, the magistrate means the controversial Dominic Ntokozo MJIYAKO. Like, this is absolutely sad. So I wanted to bring these videos back to the forefront to remind my lord and of course members of the public jury that you guys can see that, well, technically they did. They refused to get in the dock. The magistrate was just, I would say, not interested. He was just not interested. Was he representing justice, or he just wanted to go through to check all his check marks, or dot all his I's? I don't know what was going on. But basically they were not given a chance to talk. And this is the time where the magistrate himself even says, so Bongani Ntanzi had representation. We recently found out, like literally this week, from the masterminds. I have to pause because I'm just still shocked because I still haven't processed that information. That Bongani Ntanzi was never charged. Never charged. Let me say it one more time. Never charged for the Nongoma case. It is just a case, but his name is not even there. The SENZO MEYIWA trial. Guys, goodingy. Wow. This is crazy to me. But anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. About his constitutional rights. And it is of my opinion that Bongani's constitutional rights were denied from the very beginning. Let me know in the comment section if you agree. And if you do agree, drop a 1. Drop a 1 in the comment section down below. And while you're there, make sure you like the video as well, because I absolutely love it when you do. And you know what? Let's take this moment to take a pause. Okay, and like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. If you're watching from outside the club, why are you doing this to yourself? Let's go back to the Boksberg Magistrate.
Right. Mr. Baloy, the court has now noted that decree number 1, 3, and 4 are also represented by Mr. Nkwana. Is there any application from the state side at this stage?
Indeed, Your Worship, the case was postponed to today for the service of the indictment and related documents, and for the matter to be transferred to the High Court. The indictment is at an advanced stage of finality. However, there is still forensic investigation that is outstanding.
And Counsel Mshwelo.
As the court pleases, Your Worship, the worshipper, as it is clear that we are representing, or we are before this court for the first time today, and we have been informed that it was for the indictment and other documents to be supplied to the defense. It is true what my learned friend has addressed this court to say we've agreed that the matter be adjourned until the 5th day of March 2021. The defense in respect of accused number 1 has agreed, but with reservations, that there is still an outstanding forensic investigation in this matter. And then also, secondly, what I want to put on record.
Sorry, you are speaking on behalf of accused number 5.
5, sorry.
Yes.
Sorry, accused number 5.
Yes, you said accused number 1.
Oh, sorry, Worship. My apologies, Your Worship, for accused number 5.
Yeah.
And then also, surprisingly, Your Worship, the investigating team approached the accused number 5 at the Kalagabusha prison, requesting the fingerprints which were taken from accused number 1. And again on
Accused number 1 or 5?
accused number 5, my apologies. Accused number 5, Fiso Butle Julie. Again, over the weekend, I received a call from the same investigating officer wanting to take the second set of the fingerprints. The defense strongly objects to that. However, there are discussions that are still going to happen between the state and the defense. But I want to put it on record that my client appeared before this court when there is an outstanding investigation, especially for the fingerprints that they want to take.
Yes, and?
And the court places.
You've made your point. Anything further?
Yes, no, that's all yours.
Thank you. The date suggested by the state also satisfactory to all parties?
I confirm the date is suitable.
Accused number 5 is raising his hand.
Counsel, you may approach your client. Just make sure is the correct person, accused number 2.
My client wishes to address the court, and I have advised him that he has to address the court through me. But he has been insisting that he wishes to address the court in matters that are not particularly related to this appearance.
Yes, the court is not going to allow that at this stage. This is not a media conference, it is a court appearance. If you wish to address the media, do so in your own time, not as part of court proceedings. Be quiet, sir, you have a legal representative, and I advise you to be quiet and act upon your attorney's instructions. Yes, the cameras will be switched off again so that what is said in conference not be recorded.
Yeah, that was heartbreaking to watch once again. You know what can be said? No one can say that Ubongani Mzansi did not try. He didn't know the law. He didn't know his rights. He didn't know what he should and shouldn't do. And all that all 5 of them were passionate about wasn't just getting the magistrate to hear what they had to say. Unfortunately, that is not how it works in the courthouses, and they had to go back to their individual detention centers. So from November all the way to March 5, they were back in custody. Okay, so was it unfair? Absolutely. Could things have gone differently? Yes. This is another reason why I enjoy leaving my comment section open, because it is an option that I can turn it entirely off, but I love to engage with you. I also learn from the comment section, and some of you come up with the most greatest ideas and some questions that I also haven't put together. So Mzansi, my question to you is, what are some things so for example, this is why I do these videos, so that if you're ever found on the other side of the law, may that never happen, but if ever you do, you can even refuse fingerprints. Did you hear what Mshololo did for accused number 5? That guy already has a whole conviction. But Mshololo says, we have reservations, okay? We have reservations about their request to investigate my client's fingerprints. What? I thought if somebody asks you for your fingerprints, you give them willingly, but I didn't know. They need to go to the magistrate, get permission, or speak to your advocate, and your advocate decides if they are within their legal rights to ask for your fingerprints. And that's a food for thought for you, Mzansi. Let me know in the comment section down below what else you have also learned from the SENZO MEYIWA trial with regards to the law, the constitution, your rights, and just the general operation of the courtroom.
All the legal representatives, please make sure that your clients understand that they are skating on thin ice with regards to contempt of court Actions like this will not be tolerated in future. The matter has been postponed. As the court stated, the court will now adjourn the media to immediately clear the court.
And Mzansi, if you've made it this far in the video, you already know I absolutely love you. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're watching from outside the club, you are welcome to just hit that subscribe button. And if you want to become a member of the channel, it is absolutely affordable. Go ahead and click the join link in the comment section down below. That's it from me today. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on my next upload. Mzansi Unfiltered, checking out. Catch you on my next upload.
My Lord, I'm indebted. Yeah. As the court pleases, my Lord, I'm indebted. Yeah.
If the grooves don't fit, acquit the 5 accused. Mzansi has done a fantastic job proving there was no match.